Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is The
Trunk of Ganesh.
Trunk of Ganesh. Page 105, and the para begins like this. The image stood. Which image? Ganesh image? Who was making it? Govinda Mahana was making it. And there was a problem taking place. And that problem was each time Govinda Mahana mended that broken trunk, it again broke. This was happening regularly. So the image stood incomplete, right? Because each time it was mended, it was broken. So it was incomplete. To one side of the room facing the grilled window. You know what is a grilled window? Luar
Jharaka.
झरका को फेस करिकरी थिला, which was standing facing grilled window. The image, the Ganesh image was facing,
Grill window.
yes, set into the northern wall. There are four directions, चारिटा दिग अछि, east, west, north, south, eastern, western, northern, southern. So northern wall. Cracks means what? Phota.
Hotta.
Cracks means phota. Cracks had started appearing at several places. Could understand? The clay was attached to the skeleton and it was left for clogging, sticking. But instead of clogging or sticking, it got cracked. So cracks had started appearing at several places where the clay had dried. The image was kept, or the clay was kept for drying, but instead, and cracks appear on several places. The straw skeleton, straw means pala. Generally, to make an image, we make a straw skeleton first. Then we add clay to the skeleton. Right? You have seen it. And the straw skeleton of the image showed its forks. Forks means what?
Tenta.
Tenta. Forks through the mud where the trunk had torn. Where it is torn or crack, the forks inside the skeleton exposed. Right? Quickly Ranju, the name of the son. Quickly Ranju cleared the debris. Debris means the broken pieces or broken parts scattered around the image. Khanda, yes, broken parts. The debris, who cleared the debris? Ranju cleared the debris surrounding the image. There were debris, broken parts which were lying, scattering around the image. Ranju first cleared them, the debris or the broken parts. He brought a fresh mess of clay. Again he brought a fresh mess of clay. गोटे कादुआ माटी मुंडाटी पुणी आणला. And placed it before his father. Who brought? Ranju. Brought what? A fresh mass of clay. Right? Mundadi आणला. तटका तेड़ा कादुओ मुंडाटी आनला एंड प्लेस इट बिफोर हिज फादर टू नीड ता बापा आगे रखीदेला टू नीड मीन्स दलिया रखीदेला गोविंद लुक्ड क्लोज्ड एट हिज सन ताकू निगूढ़ नयन रे देखिला अनै रहिला एट हिज सन नो देयर वाज नो ट्रेस ऑफ रिडिकुल एविडेंस ऑन द यंग फेस नो harassment of youth merely a mute acceptance of the moment his glance turned to image again he looked close look at his son's face and he saw that there was no trace of sign of ridiculous और उपहासर चिन्ह भी ता मुहरे नाही and there was no harassment you know that is no nibida
निष्ठुरता
there is no harassment निष्ठुरता मध्ये नाही on the face of the son okay next paragraph his glance turned last line his glance turned to the image again his glance means तार दृष्टि turned पुणी shifted to the image again आउ तार मूर्ति ऊपर को पड़ेला फेरी गलेला whose turn the father's turn and before he realized what was he doing and before he realized what he was doing से कौन करुची जानिया पूर्वरु his hands were once again kneading the clay started kneading the clay मंथिवा आरंभ कर देला clay warmly professionally तार वृत्तिगत व्यवसाय ढंग रे गतिगत ढंग रे started working on the clay making it into the right thickness ताको ठीक पाग करुला हियर जाबुड़ी तार स्टिकनेस तो पाग गोटे थाए एक्चुअली आर्टिस्ट नो व्हाट इज द राइट स्टिकनेस टू मेक ए इमेज स्टिकनेस एज ही बिगान केयरफुली फीलिंग द टीयर okay Govinda had nearly finished mending the broken trunk when Ramju interrupted him. He was about to finish. He was about to mend. At that moment, he interrupted. मझिरे सी हाड़ पकईदेला मझिरे षंड पुरई देला और कथार बाधा व्याघात सृष्टि कला हु इंटरप्टेड रंजू इंटरप्टेड when गोविंद महाना वाज अबाउट टू फिनिश द मेंडिंग मरामती शेष करिया समय रे फादर द ड्रॉट फ्रॉम द विंडो मे बी इट शुड बी क्लोज्ड फादर ड्रॉट फ्रॉम द विंडो पवन आउची झरका दे पवन आउची मे it be closed okay we shall discuss the next session later bye thank you
It's okay.